Welcome back to CHRICED Radio and TV, where your matter now we own. This na afternoon Sharp Sharp Tori, where we don't carry on give you here the tourists them as they hot. To take West time, civil society join bodies them and different opposition parties for Kebbi State don't begin their para, they squeeze face. For said the State House of Assembly carry 25 moto, take dash the Tinubu Kaura 2 terms campaign group where they support the 2027 re-election of President Tinubu and Governor Nasir Idris. The Speaker of the House, Muhammad Usman-Zuru, now present the motto on the behalf of the 25-member assembly, saying a promise what them been promised when the group enter chair for May 2025. He can't defend why they dash this motto. He said the State House of Assembly stand gym for the back of APC. Sake of say Governor Idris they work no be small, and even Tinubu self they support the state where. Still, police now for inside Kano State don't pack 11 students for government boarding secondary school Bichi on top the kill where they kill 2 of their fellow classmates. The police top person, Abdullah Ikiawa, said these 2 people now where they kill Hamza Idris Tofawa and Umar Yusuf Dungurawa. Na sharp locally made metal object that they call Gwale-Gwale, now they take key them. As at the time where would they do this story, the dead body of these 2 young men, they for Bichi General Hospital, made them for do test, confirm waiting really key them. And police go continue to the shine eye, the torchlight these ones then with them pack to know waiting exactly then do for these killings. And still Plateau State Government don't come out and now say, why is it? Say soldiers of Nigeria Army not fit arrest even one of the killer of those 27 farmers for Tahoss community for Riom local government area of Plateau State. The state government, they blame soldiers, say they fail to arrest or kill any of the suspected killer herdsmen, even though they have a contact with them during the attack. The Plateau State Information Commissioner Joyce Ramnap, Naiyan today will be Friday, say military checkpoint not even reach 200 meters for where the attack for happened. And delegates, that are people that will represent different areas for that National Constitutional Summit, don't begin now. They say they need to do sharp law of our constitution. We go return Nigeria to that truly federal system of government. This year and therefore inside the paper, we read for the mouth of Professor Maxwell Gidado and Michael Zekome after this summit, where the patriots do with the chairman of Emeka Nyoku before Commonwealth Secretary General inside this meeting. These delegates now they suggest that we should have a federal type of government where the federating units go enjoy standing on their own according by what we enjoy inside First Republic and what other confirmed democracies all over the world they enjoy. And the Nigerian Center for Disease Control and Prevention, NCDC, don't begin the shout. They blow vuvuzela. Say, he get a different kind of disease. Now, where the boss starts inside our country and say, I beg, everybody shine your eyes. Something should be done about it. NCDC and this one for their official website today morning. They warn, say there is a very important public health risk if they are not doing something about this talk. They say the country now they experience a jack-up for inside cholera. Then yellow fever, dengue fever don't also begin to show small inside plenty states. And commoting for inside Nigeria, we go for outside country. As Oga America of President Donald Trump, they don't test them now, say they see very serious and terrible vein kind of disease. Say now something of say blood not the wrong way for inside the body. After the see say in lower leg begin they swell up. The White House press secretary Caroline Levitt said this thing is a common condition, especially for people that don't pass the age of 70 years old. Levitt say Donald Trump we are talking is 79 years old. He do different tests. He do complete blood count. He do a total metabolic panel, and then he come and do coagulation profile and all these things and everything they use now. And she say the test they encouraging. And now with this one, I'll go close my mouth on top Sharp Tori for this time. Don't forget to join us again 4 o'clock for another beautiful one. Until then, continue to follow us and enjoy us on top our social media handles at CHRICED Radio TV. My name na Princess Anyana. Good afternoon.